Yo, what's up guys? I'm back to a new video. Today, I'll be playing Bird. I really I don't know much about this game. I'm already getting stuck in people's necks. I don't know how this is happening. Oh, ow. I have to reset. I don't want to be stuck in people's necks. Ooh, nice. The right color. Blue. Anyways, this is the game called Bird. I don't really know if we're birds, but they call these birds, so I guess we are birds. Alright, let's check out the controls. There's this one. Oh, wait, what does that do? Right, and then we got this one. This is so disgusting. Whoop whoop whoop. It look whoop 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 whoop. Whoop 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 whoop. Hey, alright. What are people doing? A conga line or look, I can do the same thing. I could just go and then I could just dance. Ooh, we can dance. Dance. Hold on, stopped. No, get away. You are not a good person. Get away from me. Get away. I'm gonna bite you. Get away from me. It's like a beep. I'm just like beep. Means get away from me. Yeah. Don't grab my neck. Stop. I knew they were gonna do this. I hate you. Let me go. Don't grab my neck. Let me go. You know, I'm just gonna do this. I really don't care. I look disgusting. Oh, it's so weird when they die. Look at this. Ready? Look at how it looks like when they die. That just happens. I guess we're red now. Come on. No, another person's already doing this to me. Stop, get off of me. Ooh, what is that? A strawberry? I want the strawberry, not you. Get off of me. This is what happens when you try to bite me, weirdo. Trying to get this strawberry, you up in here trying to do that. Just want to grab a strawberry, man. Come on, let me grab it. Strawberry, come here. No, I had it for a second. But then I accidentally ungrabbed it. Come on. It's not working. Brush his teeth. What? Oh. What's going on there? Wait, I really don't know. I'm leaving. I don't know what's going on in this game. Everything's terrible. Oh my god. I don't know what to say. What the heck? What does this dude have? Oh, there's so much objects around that you can pick up. This dude picking up all of them. What is this? Like a Nintendo Switch, cause got the red side, the blue side, but the middle side isn't really what you think it would have been. Hey, I holding it! I grabbed it! Take that, people. Your boy can also grab stuff. Ah, He dropped it. What the? Ah! Give me that. Give me that mustard or whatever that is. I want it. Give me that. Give me. Ow! Give me it. I want it. Give me it. I want that. Give me. Come on. Give it to me. Come on. Come back here. Give me that. Yes. No. Off of me. Where did that just go? It just despawned, I think. Well, great. Now no one can have it. Ah! Picked up some random worm thingy. I just grabbed a giant man, I don't even know what this is anymore. I don't have a brain. Just kidding. It's a toothbrush. I literally just picked a giant one up. Come here. Yeah, come on. Fine, I'll just wait. Can I fly, kinda? I think I can. Yeah, there you go. Darn. It didn't work. I mean, it did work, but it didn't work as I thought it would. Ugh. Yeah. I'm going up here. I'll just drop my toothbrush and go on my adventure on this. What the? What the? Ah! Oh my god, what just happened? That was not called for. So much trash around here that I could pick up. What the heck? I don't even know what that is. What this over here? Some purple liquid. Oh my god! Wait, what was that? Did you guys see that? It had like face or something. Look at it. You guys see that thing? I don't know what that is. It had like an eye. That was weird. Can't really see it that much because I mean. Pleh. Come on, let me grab it. There we go. Yeah, no, there we go. Grab it. Grab it. And toss. Alright. That works out, I guess. Make me a blue boy. Yeah, I'm blue again. I like it. Blah. Blah. I am blue now. Whoa. I didn't know that actually works. This game actually has a lot of stuff to do, but like, you can't really, you don't really just, I have no idea what I'm saying anymore. Come on. I could grab the strawberry. Give me it. Come on, give me it. Get strawberry. Maybe it's not possible to get that. I'll just get out there. Wait, is it possible to grab this? Give me it. No, you can't grab it. I thought you could, and then you could just throw it all around. Yeah, come on, up here. Oof. What is? Oh my God. I don't know what this. This is dynamite. What the? Why do they allow this here? Come on, give me that. Come on, give me that. Give me that dynamite. Give me that dynamite. Come on. Ah, I want dynamite. Oh no, it's gonna blow. Ah, drop it. Ah, it blew. It killed me. Ah, why? I'm all pink now. I don't want to be pink. Ready for this, guys? Get me in there. Yeah, come on, come on. Come on, get me in there. Yeah. Ready for this? Bloop. Yeah. Bloop, bloop, bloop. I became an all blue one. Yay. I'm a blue boy now. Blue boy all the way. Yeah. Do that real quick. Alright, there we go. Going this way, jumping that way, jumping again that way. I'm trying to find that little squirty thing that dude had. I don't know if you guys remember. It was like a. He had like a. Oh, what the? I have the little Nintendo Switch type thing, whatever it is. I have it now. I'm just taking it with me everywhere. Yeah. I found an egg and a bomb. Wait, is that a bomb? Wait, no, it's the ketchup thing that I was talking about. Gimme. Yeah. Come on, gimme. Yes, this is it. This thing holds so much power. I gotta go throw it to everyone's face. It holds so much potential. It's too powerful for any human being. Come on, let me jump quick. I think it just let me. Come on, let's go. I'm taking you with me. It's for everyone to see how powerful you really are. Let's get squirted, boy. Come here. Get squirted. Yeah, get squirted. You won't just get squirted. Come on. Get squirt. Get that squirt. Get squirted. Yeah. Get squirted. Squirt, squirt. Yeah. Squirt, 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 squirt. Squirted. Squirt, squirt, squirt. It's like I'm saying I'm Squirtle. But I ain't no Squirtle. Squirtle. Whatever. Squirt, squirt, squirt you. Squirt everyone. Yeah, get squirted. Yeah. Who else want to be squirted? Anyone want to be squirted? You want to be squirted? Get squirted. Squirt, 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 squirt. Squirt, squirt. Squirt, squirt. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirt. Squirt, 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 squirt. Guy, get squirted. Come on, squirt, squirt. 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 Get squirted, boy. Come here. Squirt, squirt. Squirt. Come on, get squirted. Come on. Squirt. What are they doing to this large worm? Wow, that's a very large worm. But anyways, come on, get squirt, 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 squirt. 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 You got squirted. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirt everywhere. So, do you want to get squirted? Squirt. Squirt time, baby. Squirt. Squirt you. Squirt you. Squirting everyone here. Squirt you. Yeah. You all turn into red birds now. You will become one of me. You will become me one day. Come on, come on. Just get squirted, you little. Squirt! Too much people are grabbing me just because they want the squirter. It's my squirter, and you're never going to get it. My squirter. Get away from my squirter. Get away from Squirty. It's my squirt. Come on, get away. They're grabbing my squirt thing. Jiggy, stop grabbing it. Get away from Squirt. You crazy monsters. Get away from Squirt. Leave me alone. Spit on you. Can I squirt? Squirty! Squirt! Speak to me, oh. Yeah, he back! Yeah, Squirty. Wait, I thought he died, that's why. Okay, come on. I want to turn back to blue. Just to see if it works. Right, I could turn back to blue, but will he? Can that thing? It turned it's blue. Hey, I just turned to blue. I just turned to blue. It just turned to blue. Even if it's not really blue. Still just turned blue. Now I gotta squirt some people with some ketchup. Come on. Ketchup. Ketchup you. Ketchup you. Ketchup everyone here. Including you. Get ketchup. Ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. Get that ketchup all over you. Ketchup. No, no. Just don't grab me. You grab me, I'm gonna squirt you more. Get squirted on. Ketchup. Ketchup. That ketchup. That thing just killed me. Ah, darn. Oh, man. Well, I guess that ends off this video. Hope you guys like and subscribe, and goodbye.